everybody, I'm back. And I just decided to do two in a row here. I'm going to do three in a row and I'm going to get them out there because I think it's really important to have this conversation around what happens to these kiddos, right? They're being coerced and controlled. They're being told horrible things about us. It's a significant betrayal. And then we're forcing them to therapy, reasonably so. We think it's going to help. What could you do? You could connect instead of correct as much as possible. I want you to think about their brains as being so broken and damaged by the coercive control or by the harm that they are experiencing. I want you to literally be pouring in positive memories, fun things, not entitlement, just fun things. It might be that you come in with a bouquet of flowers in their bedroom. It might be, I would certainly like that. It might be that, you make their favorite cookies. You just, or you're out at the store and you buy their favorite cereal, right? What is it that you can do that in some ways ignites, literally ignites for them a happy memory? And in that, all of this negativity, all of this harm, all of this that's occurring can actually begin to soften a little bit. It softens for this child. And so you have the ability to do that. That's something you can do. Little tiny things. I want you to really consider. I want you to be creative. I want you to be intentional. And I want you to be attuned to them. I want you to understand that we know our kiddos better than anybody. We know them better than anybody. What is it that they need? Maybe they're studying for an exam. It's summertime, so they're probably not. But let's just say they were studying for a test. Do they need a cup of hot tea? Just a little something. Now, maybe they're mean to you, and maybe at dinner they were horrible. And you're like, you want me to bring hot tea to this kid? They were just disrespectful. Yes, I do. I want you to connect versus correct. You can talk about the behavior later. I want you to connect. Deposits, make some deposits into that beautiful brain that's been harmed. Hope that's helpful, everyone. I will come back and talk again about what we can do to help our kiddos who we're not seeing, right? So I'll do that in my next YouTube. Have a great day.